Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on fixing a broken screen. Today, we'll walk through the entire repair process, ensuring you're equipped with the right tools and knowledge to tackle this challenge. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. A small Phillips screwdriver. A plastic spudger. A suction cup tool. A heat gun or hairdryer. Replacement screen. Tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid misplacing any screws or parts. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you begin any repair, power off your device completely. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any further damage during the repair process. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Using the heat gun, apply gentle heat around the edges of the device to soften the adhesive. Then, use the suction cup tool to create a gap between the screen and back cover. Insert the plastic spudger into the gap and carefully pry the cover off. Step 3. Detach the broken screen. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screws that secure the screen. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Remember to keep them organized. If you encounter any stubborn screws, apply a little more heat to loosen the adhesive. Now, gently lift the broken screen using the suction cup tool. Be cautious and avoid pulling too hard, as there may be cables still attached. Disconnect any connectors carefully with the tweezers. Step 4. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This step ensures that your new screen adheres properly and functions without issues. Step 5. Install the new screen. Align the new screen with the connectors and gently press it into place. Reattach any screws you removed earlier to secure it. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Step 6. Reassemble the device. Once the new screen is secured, carefully place the back cover onto the device. Press down around the edges to ensure a tight fit. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle. Step 7. Power on your device. Finally, power on your device and check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our service includes a quote before repair to ensure transparency in pricing. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to fixing a broken screen. If you prefer a stress-free experience, remember, no calls, no travel, just reliable repair services at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.